Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us again. Decided to do a little impromptu trip out to the lake. We had a few hours in an afternoon, so you know what, why not hit the ice and see what we get. So we just drilled our holes, we're about to sit down. We only have a few hours, so I'm going to get to fishing and we'll let you guys know what we get. Alright, hopefully we have something to show you guys. Alright, so we're set up. I'm just going to show you guys. We got some good ice. 6 inches of some good solid ice. A lot of slush on the top, but to be expected after the ice storm we just had. Not bad. We just got through, what did it dump, like 10-20 mils of rain?
Yeah, more.
Yeah, of ice rain though. That's the only way that it survived. Otherwise, all the lakes would have been blown open again. So, let's hope we're in the clear and no more storms. And we'll be fishing. Let you know if we get anything.
First fish through the ice in New Brunswick for me.
Who's that?
Chain pickerel. Look at this little guy.
A little picky.
Alright, send it back. Hey.
That's cool. We just set up here. Literally, just dropped your line.
Yeah, I mean within 10 seconds.
That's awesome.
Yeah, let's try again.
Alright, let's see if we get another one.
Maybe we can do better than this time.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, that's him. He's coming back, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Yeah, that's him.
Yep.
Oh, wow. Oh, a perch. Nice one.
Wow, eh? That's a good perch.
Nice perch.
Wow, babe.
First New Brunswick perch. Yeller.
Hold on, let's see that. Oh my word, that's a nice yellow. Wow, it's like a gold.
Beauty, eh?
Beautiful. Good job.
Oh, my first New Brunswick perch ice fishing.
That's so cool. Look at that. It was neat to see it on the electronics.
We moved out a little farther. We'll see. Try here, it's about the same depth, but underneath the water is a little finger that comes out here. We're gonna try out front of it. Oh yeah, good ice. Coming up on me.
That's perch number 2 for Paul and fish number 3. Woo. Bye, buddy. Haven't been on the lake long. And Paul has the hot hand. It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's a really cool looking perch that Paul caught here.
It's a beauty, it really is.
It is. Look how orange the fins are. Very orange. Oh, it's got a little spike damage down here. That nice golden color to it. Almost like what you see on the northern lakes of Ontario, but beautiful. Decent perch. Hopefully we get some more. Whoa. Oh, you're on?
I got him.
Wonder what it is. It just hit you.
Chain picky.
Oh, look at that guy. Ooh. Crazy guy. Look at that. Beautiful chain pickerel. Nice size.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, real nice size.
I need the pliers.
Love how you should always carry pliers on you.
Oh, come on, bud.
Wow. Nice job, babe. That's a beautiful picky. Look at that chain pickerel. So pretty.
Eh?
Nice. Just hit you quick, eh?
Yeah, just came in. I saw him coming up the lure.
Yeah.
Wham.
Wow, beautiful. All right, let's get some pics of this. We might keep it for some eating. Nice little chain pickerel that Paul just caught here. We've had pike before, but not chain pickerel. So we're gonna try to cook this guy up. Maybe we'll do a little kitchen cook video, but it's nice. I'm assuming it's gonna taste a lot like northern pike though, just because it's a close cousin. So pretty looking fish though.